Hey guys, Dave, Sticky RX here. So I am at our incoming receiving and shipping, also employee entry location, and we've got some really cool improvements coming up right now. Stay tuned. So here's our incoming receiving, and we've been planning to change this around for a while. We had that flow rack on the other side, wasn't really working out great, and we've got a lot of this shit here, and it's not a good place for when stuff comes in. So we're totally tooling this up. All out of Gemba pipe, and we're setting this up really effective, so stay tuned for the improvement. Okay, so here's the improvement. This is our shipping and receiving door. So incoming receiving comes here, and now we have this Gemba pipe station, which is really cool. So essentially, we've got some roller track on the bottom, and the boxes you see here are project related supplies. So you see we got a new printer and some computer things. These are things that we need a staging location until we can get around to using them. It's not part of normal materials. Well, on top we have a flow rack for supplies, any consumables that we use on an ongoing basis. Those will come in, they go right down this flow rack, stop on this edge, and then we have our PC here. We do also clock in and clock out in the morning here. We have our walkie-talkies here, and we've got some Kaizen foam with different tools we use, calculators, scissors, different stamps. There's some folders here for different files. All this is dialed in real well, and then we have a flow rack above that we will use just for Sticky RX incoming orders. So now, when the orders come in, we'll stop them here, we'll open them up, we'll electronically receive them in our ERP, and then transfer the materials to this rack. Now this is really cool. So we've got some flow racks going in this direction to load larger boxes from the bottom. We've got a flow rack on top here that goes from right to left, okay, so we can slide boxes here. We've got some smaller bins to put things. Now we're gonna improve on this. We've got a razor and a Sharpie. We'll make a location probably in Kaizen foam for those. We've got rubber bands for Kanbans, our binder clips, and then this is all of the stuff that we have on order. So this is our Kanban on order. So we drop the cards in here. Now here's the cool part. Once all this stuff comes in, we electronically receive it, slide it over to this area, and this is actually a cart. So this pops away, and now we can take this with the materials for restocking. So for example, if we were restocking these rubber gloves, we would have them in a box. We just stop right here. That Kanban card would be in here. We'd pull it out, marry it to the boxes, restock, and everything we need to do the Kanban connection is right there. So we just wheel this throughout the shop, different locations, and then when we're done, we bring it back. Now this is really cool. Matt did this, did a great job. We've got some V-nests right here and a magnet. So we simply take this, bring it back around, real easy, guide it, it goes right back in, snaps in position. Now everything is right where we need it to be. So that's a real effective incoming receiving cart. We have our trash right here, guided in. We've got cardboard here, also guided in. On the back side, we've got some cool stuff. Well, we've got our incoming mail right here. This is outgoing mail. We put this inside the mailbox for the postal carrier to come and pick up envelopes. That's all right here. Then on the back, we've got our grill for grilling burgers and stuff in the summer. We've got some cones we use to block off the driveway during football games. We put that right on the back of the rack to use the vertical space. Then we have our salt spreader. Right above that is our salt on the same rack, Kanban. And then this is a barrel device for 55-gallon drums when we use those for chips for machining. So we've got the back dialed in, really cool too. So this is a great setup. And of course over here we have our employee Gemba locker rack setup that we've done another video on. And right here is our outgoing UPS. I'm doing this video at the end of the day. Everything's already gone, and everything that's come in has already been processed for the day. So there you go. Nothing but continuous improvement. A really kick-ass incoming receiving that makes sense and works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.